Hi friends, welcome to Technical Jobs Guru. Friends, today in this video we are going to see a job opportunity from GAIL India Limited. Here GAIL India Limited is a PSU Maharatna company. Already you know Maharatna company offers more than 17 lakhs for new joiners also. So they are recruiting here. So uh, GAIL is in a sector of exploration and production, processing and transmission and distribution and marketing. So you will find jobs in all these sectors here. So mostly from those who are graduated, so they all are eligible for this job. So please do watch the video till the end. And if you're watching this video for the first time in this channel, so do subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and like the video. So if you want this notification link, so you will find this link in our video description. Then okay friends, let's start the video. Here GAIL is recruiting for most of the branches. You will find here as a manager, name of the post here, manager post for marketing of commodity risk and management. Here we have total 4 posts. So you will find here different categories. They are divided as unreserved candidate 2, and then OBC 2, OBC 1 and SC 1. And manager in marketing international LNG and shipping, so we have 6 posts total, 3 in unreserved category and one in categories. And senior manager we have total 7 posts. You will find according to you here total posts are 7. They are divided in different categories. From mechanical engineer, senior engineer, you will find 51 posts total. So you will they are divided in different categories as here. Senior manager, senior engineer in electrical 26 posts, senior engineering in instrumentation 3 posts, senior engineering civil here 15 posts, and senior engineering in GAIL-TEL, TC and TM we have 10 posts, and senior engineering in boiler operation 5 posts, senior engineering in instrumentation engineering we have 5 posts, senior officer in E&P 3 posts, senior officer E and F&S we have 10 posts, and senior officer E&P in 10 posts. So here you will find others also. Senior officer BIS we have 9 posts, senior officer marketing 8 posts, then senior officer HR 18, then senior officer corporate communication 2, senior officer law 4, senior officer F&A 5, then officer laboratory 10. So you find mostly all the branches from every graduate can apply for this. You will the eligible branches are also mentioned here, we will discuss later. Then senior officer security also there, and official languages officer also there. We have 4 posts total. We have 220 posts. So they divided in different categories as mentioned here. You will find in detail here in table also. Already we mentioned above. So if you are from any disability category, or if you don't know any abbreviation in the above mentioned PDF, so you will find here in all the abbreviations here. So coming to the eligibility from the which branch, which branches are eligible in mechanical, all this. So if you find in manager marketing commodity risk and management E3, they are recruiting for the E3 grade. Pay scale must be here 70,000 to 2 lakhs. Upper age limits must be 34 years only. So you should have CA and CMA. So become with minimum 60% marks in 2 years of MBA should required for that, and graduation BA with the hours of economics with 60% of marks, and 2 years of MBA with specialization 65% marks they mentioned here. And you must have minimum 4 years of experience in this category. If you find here, you can read all these things. For manager marketing and international SNG, they also bachelor's degree in engineering with 65% marks and 2 years MBA they mentioned, and 4 years of experience required here. Age limit will be the 34 years in same pay scale as 72 2 lakhs. And coming to senior engineer mechanical, here bachelor's degree in chemical, petrochemical, petrochemical engineering, petrochemical technology, chemical and polymer science, chemical technology and plastic technology with a 65% minimum mark. And they mentioned here minimum 1 year of experience including GET. If you work somewhere in GET as GET, so you are also eligible for this job. So this is the best opportunity for everyone, those who are working as a fresher in latest joiners are also eligible for this job. So senior engineer mechanical they mentioned here from mechanical engineering, production and industrial engineering, manufacturing, and then mechanical and automobile with the minimum of 65% marks. Here 60 to 1 lakh 80,000. So a upper age limit must be 28 years, It is for only general category, friends. Age limit for ST, SC and other categories they mentioned as per the government rules. Here 1 year of experience as including GET, ET and management training are everything. So you should be experienced in mechanical maintenance engineer in petrochemical industry, fertilizers, then refinery operations in gas and pipelines. So you should be you should have experience in this category only in 1 year of experience minimum. And for the senior engineer electrical, so you should have 1 year experience. They mentioned here as a petrochemical industry, refinery, all these things, construction. And the branches eligible are electrical and electronics engineering with 65% of marks. Pay scale must is same 60 to 1,80,000 and upper age limit is 28 years. Senior engineer instrumentation also same, friends. Branches eligible instrumentation in control, electronics and instrumentation, electrical and instrumentation, electronics, electrical and electronics, 65% marks. 1 year experience including GET and the company experience including the project commissioning, maintenance and refinery, petrochemical, all these things. So then senior engineer civil, so same grade they are mentioned here, E2 grade. E2 grade here 60 to 1,80,000 salary mentioned here per month. And then bachelor's degree in civil engineering with 65% marks, and then they must have 1 year of post qualification executive in experience of civil functioning state and central government department organization department. Then coming to senior engineer, GAIL, TC and TM. So you must have degree from electronics, communication, electronic and telecommunication, electrical, electronics, then all this branch. Pay scale is same, and you should have a 1 year of experience as executive in experience including GET in telecom, telemetry function in state, central government and department of organization, etc. They are mentioned here. Civil engineering boiler, senior engineering boiler operations. So you must have degree from bachelor's degree from mechanical, chemical, and electrical with minimum of 80% of marks. Certificate of proficiency in boiler operations must required here, and 1 year of experience in O&M of boiler after obtaining proficiency certificate. They mentioned here. So senior engineer environment engineer here E2 grade 60 to 1,80,000. Upper age limit is 28 years. Bachelor's degree in environment with minimum of 65% marks and should have a qualification in this required field. So senior officer ENP. So you should have a degree from petroleum, mechanical and chemical, mining and electrical. You should have a 1 year experience in management of ENP blocks assets in state central government departments. So and from senior officer fire and safety, you should have a degree from fire and safety with minimum 60% of marks, and you should have 1 year of experience in fire and safety discipline from state or central government. Then senior officer CNP, you should have a degree from chemical, mechanical and electrical instrumentation, IT computer science and electronics metallurgy and telecommunication with 65% of marks, and you should have experience in contract procurement, material management, stores and purchases department, etc. So here senior engineer BIS, so you should have a degree from computer science, information technology with 65% of marks and 3 years of master degrees in computer MCA, computer application. So you should have experience with this field also within BIS function. Senior officer marketing, so you should in marketing, so here you should require MBA with specialization of marketing and oil and gas, petroleum and energy sector. And so you should have experience in marketing function in states and central government. So here we have different categories. We if you start reading all this, so the time taken, it will take time. So you can read. I am going to provide this link in our video description. You can read which you are eligible from this branch. So coming to our terms and conditions as mentioned here. So we you should have a you should have a CGPA to grade conversion letter from your college, and you should be a degree completion of BE, BTech or BSc something. And if your experience certificate you should require at the time of joining, you must take your experience certificate. And then the last date of apply is the 5th of August 2021. So already the application started in 7th of July. So application has started 2 days before only. So you can apply before 5th of August. And then coming to our age relaxation as mentioned here, according to government's norms, they mentioned STSC relaxation should be 5 years, 3 years for 5 years plus STSC, and 3 years for other categories. And coming to the educational, so already they mentioned here 65% for the other candidates. For STSC and PWBD, they require 60% of marks only in every category as mentioned above. Then upper age limit as mentioned according to years, yeah, 3 years for the OBC and 5 years and 10 years for the PWD and 5 years for the STSC candidates. And then coming to the age limit of the applicant should not exceed 56 years, including all the age relaxation as mentioned. Coming to pay scale, E3 grade must pay as getting 72 2 lakhs. Basic pay is 70,000. E2 grade is 60,000 to 1 lakh 80,000. Basic pay is 60,000. And E1 grade is 50,000 to 1 lakh 60,000. Basic pay is 50,000. Then coming to our benefits, you will get mostly all the benefit from the government companies which provide all the benefits here: pay allowance, pay, variable pay, superannuation benefits, everything they will pay to you. Placements and so they are going to place you in all over the India as in projects and offices, installation of Gale subsidiaries and PSUs. They will place in all things. Coming to application fees for EWS and OBC general candidate, they have to pay 200 rupees. For STSC and other candidates, though those who are not required to pay any fees. And how to apply? So you have to go to careeringailonline.com. So you will find there in career, you will find the application for to apply this job. And so you must require a application for first. You have to pay the payment of 200 rupees, then you can apply for this job. Okay, then coming to our past employment details, you must have to require your certificate of experience letter from your past or current pay slip or anything. You have to submit for that. You have to give at the time of otherwise they will reject the, if you give any wrong information, they will reject your application as mentioned here. Then coming to selection process, we have only uh, two only. There is no exam for this, so we have only group discussion, and after that they shortlist for interview, direct interview. Then this we are selected. After that we should have a health and medical fitness test from Gale India Medical Authority. After that you will be placed to in the company. So friends, this is the post from Gale India. So best opportunity, we don't have any examination here. So if you are we having this all the, if you are eligible for this application, so you have experience of 1 year in given field, so you can apply for this job and get opportunity from Gale India. The salary must be 17 lakhs friends, so you will find all the benefits including your variable pays, everything. So best opportunity from Gale India, so do apply for this job and get opportunity from the Gale India. So if you like this video and if you like the video content and information from our channel, so please do subscribe to the channel and share with your friends to do subscribe. Okay friends, thank you everybody.